Okay, we're back. We are back. And our topic now is boys who flirt too much. Like, be for real. What do you get out of flirting?
I mean,
you just want to be a woman after what? Flirting gets you nowhere with girls. You flirt with too many girls. If you ask me, like, if you asking me out, and I know that you flirt with too many girls, your answer will definitely be no. Because flirting with too many girls is having sex with too many girls. And guess what you can get from that? Hey, exactly. Now, it's a boy who I used to talk to. I ain't gonna use no names, but he's just a boy. He's like in it. And he was like going with one of my friends. He knows what I'm talking about if you're watching this. Oh yeah, he was going with one of my friends. My friend tried to get me to go with him, but yeah, she going with him. And so, he going with like 5 girls. Or he going with like more than just her. And she going with some more, because you know they had a down low relationship. Now first of all, who has a down low relationship? Actually, who has a down low relationship?
I don't even know. That's stupid.
For me, a down low relationship,
that's like they don't even want to be with you.
Right, like they ashamed of you or something. Unless if you say that it's okay. Because, you know, stuff might happen. You ruining your other dick, you know what I'm saying? But still, no flirting. Flirting is just bad. Well, you can flirt. Flirting is my favorite pastime. Lots of way too many girls. But it only works for girls though.
Well, I would, but
she go with somebody. Lauren. Lauren, I want to give you a shout out right now.
Yes.
Back from Puerto Rico, you know. Cause you know I dropped him off at the Texas border and he just went on from there. And I'm not sure.
That's the subject.
Oh no, I got something about him. I'm already started. I took him on a first class.
I love you, boo.
I took him on a first class trip to the Texas border. In first class, we had a good talk and everything. We had a good talk. You know, it was all good. We was actually asking us who was friends. Then when we got to that Texas border, we had to crack another immigrant joke. Like, no offense to all the immigrants, I just like making fun of Lawrence, that's all.
No. Stick to the subject. They not coming over here. Yes.
Somebody needs to get him deported anyway. Wait. But, yeah, boys who flirt too much. Stop. It gets you nowhere with girls. Like some girls, as we call them dumb girls. Yes. They don't care if their man fucks with everyone, which otherwise they don't mind if their man's having sex with everyone.
Right, they just stupid. And then they usually be ugly.
Right. The ugly girls is always the desperate ones who don't care about nothing.
Exactly.
Like, I don't care, he still love me. I just want to treat everybody. Like some girl, I'll call her JM. I'll be wanting to come across the table, you know JM, right?
Yeah.
I want to come across the table up on that little girl.
That's what you call a dumb hoe.
Now, that is our segment about the boys flirting. We just got some advice for y'all. Just stop it. It gets you nowhere. At least not with us. Usually. Okay. This ends our segment. No more flirting. We love you. Subscribe to this video. Thank you. Thank you. Raya.